Hello student, today we are going to start the next video lecture, that is heartwood and sapwood. So what is heartwood and sapwood? The outer region of the old trees consisting of recently formed xylem element is called sapwood, and the central region of the old trees which are formed earlier is filled up with tannin, resins, gums, and other substance which makes it hard and durable. So it is called hardwood or duramen. So in sapwood, basically sapwood, it is a outer region. This is the outer region of the sapwood. These sapwood are light color and contain some living cells also in the association of vessels and fibers. So this part of the stem perform the physiological activities such as conduction of water of and nutrient, storage of food, etc. So in the central region, we already said that in the central region of the old trees which was formed earlier in filled up with tannin, resin, gums and other substance. It is called as the heartwood, or it is also called as duramen. So it looks black. This central region, it looks black due to the presence of various substance in it. Usually, the vessels remain plugged up with tyloses, and the function of heartwood is no longer of conduction. So, it gives only the mechanical support. So, in the sapwood, change into heartwood very gradually. During the transformation, the number of changes occurs. All living cells lose protoplast, water content of cell walls are reduced, and food materials are withdrawn from the living cells. So talloses are frequently formed, which black the vessels, and the parenchyma walls become lignified. So oil, gums, tannin, resins and other substance develop in the middle cells. In certain plants, for example, if we take the almus and malus or pumila, the heartwood remains saturated with water. In other plants, for example, fraxinas, the heartwood may become very dry. The oil, resins, and coloring material filter the wall and gums, and the resins may fill the lumina of the cells. So the Diosporois and Swietenia, the cell cavities are filled with a dark color gummy substance, and the color of hardwood in general is the result of presence of these substances. So generally what happened, the hardwood is darker in color than sapwood. In some genera such as Butea, Populus, Pichia, Agathis, the hardwood is hardly darker in color than the sapwood. Some trees do not have clearly differentiation of hardwood. Other possesses thin sapwood and still other possesses thick sapwood. In the sapwood portion, the outer layer is bark-like structure is formed, and these bark-like structure is called as the periderm, or it is called as the cork layer. So below the cork there is the living phloem is present, or we can say that there is the secondary phloem is also present, and these secondary phloem, the lower side of the secondary phloem, there is a formation of the vascular cambium. Due to that vascular cambium or the secondary phloem, it means that there is a formation of secondary growth of the plant, and it means the secondary growth is formed. That means there is a formation of the ring-like structure. It means there is a presence of growth ring. Number of growth ring is present, and if the number of growth ring is present, it means that there is a formation of sapwood and the formation of hardwood. So this sapwood, it is the outermost layer, it is lighter in color, and the hardwood, it is the central region and it is the darker in color. Then the structure of sapwood and hardwood. Sapwood is formed due to the activity of cambium in the formation of secondary xylem. So the hardwood is formed due to the accumulation of different compounds such as the oil, resins and gums. So these oil, resins and other coloring materials filtered the water, and gums and resins may fill the lumina of the cell in hardwood. At the deformation of transformation, a number of changes in occurs. All living cells lose protoplast and the water content of the cell wall is reduced. So there is a withdrawal of food material from the living cell and the talloses are frequently formed, which block the vessels and the parenchyma walls become lignified. Oil, gums, tannins, resins and other substances develop in the cell. So what are the difference between the sapwood and hardwood? We already said that the outer region of the old trees, it is called as the albarum or the sapwood, or the central region of the old trees is called as the hardwood or duramen. So these sapwood consist of recently formed xylem element, and hardwood it filled up with the tannin, resins, gums and other substance consist of older xylem element. It means sapwood is a hard and durable, and it is also hardwood is also hard and durable. Sapwood is not durable, hardwood is durable. So this is of light color, contain some living cell also in the association of vessels and fiber in a sapwood. But in hardwood, it look black or dark brown due to the presence of various substances in it. And generally, vessels are not plugged physiologically in sapwood. And in hardwood, usually vessels remain plugged with talloses. It means this part of the stem perform the physiological activities such as conduction of water and nutrients, storage of food material in sapwood. And in hardwood, the function of hardwood is not of the conduction. It gives only the mechanical support of the stem. So economically, Not important because of being easily attacked by pathogen and insect in sapwood. And heartwood is economically very important because of being a resistance to the pathogen and insect. So what is the economic importance of heartwood and sapwood? From economic point of view, heartwood is more useful than sapwood. Heartwood as timber is more durable than sapwood because the reduction of food material available for the pathogen by the absence of protoplasm and starch, the formation of resin, oil, tannins, and the blocking of vessels by toiloses and gums makes the wood less susceptible to attack by the organism of decay. The hematoxylin is obtained from the heartwood of Hematoxylon campesianum because of the absence of resin gums and coloring substance. Sapwood is performed for pulpwood and for wood to be impregnated with preservatives. So this is the complete about heartwood and sapwood. Thank you.